Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. If today is first time to come across my video record, please, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to Audion Latest News TV. Once again, I really appreciate all my subscribers, my viewers, and those that is not subscribed and that is not supporting me. I really appreciate. Whenever you come across my video, please kindly do that. I really appreciate. Share this video to your friends, to your fellow ones, to everyone, you understand? Whether your neighbor, your friend, everyone, you understand? This video will help you guys. Thank you once again. The story when me bring come for this table today, now story about BB Naija for Nigeria. Yes, I know BB Naija now. Those three brothers, BB Naija for Nigeria. Now be the story when one could give now the way it hot. But first of all, if today be the first time to come across my video, please do like this video, share this video to your friend, press the like button and press the subscribe button. I really appreciate the case that subscribe button. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. If they tell you say it easy, brother, it's not really easy. More go because time not there to check time. The way they hot, the way the story they hot, and for this my platform, the way they always they tell you that this new Obogen news, one they always they talk about, one they always they bring on this table, those latest hot news. You understand? Now all continent news and always they talk, not be only Nigerian news, not be only European news, not be only African news. Now the full continent news, that mean they talk about. You understand? Before we go to the news, you are really welcome. Stay blessed and listen to this news one we want to talk about. The way I read that for now, I will see show now the video, the way they hurt my people. I really appreciate those one when they watch me and when they follow me up. I really appreciate now so much. They say shut down BB Naija or I will shut it down with my spiritual power, Professor Kute FG. Yes, I got now the full short read, but I will show now the video when I know what they happen for Nigeria. Yes, and those big Nigeria now. Yes, and when bless say they kiss each other, they kiss, they shop their shigon, or they shop their sugar. Many people when they watch them, some of the big man picking when you see them shy, when you see they look those things, or with their children see they among of those things when they participate of the BB Nigeria stand. Some of them don't see cry out and don't see the face say because this is not really good. What did they go there for? Not be that they do. The next one they do, not to the romance, not to the kiss, not to the shop, issues of their self shuya. The same as I know what I talk about my people, yes, because I know I just talk directly for this platform. You understand? I be it. I mean, I tell them because one prophet called crack come out for the video whereby I say the BB Naija want to show that the way this boy and these girls, the way that they kills, the way that they shop each other shuya, you understand? Because now public and even children, they watch this thing. They feel me so now I make some of people call analyze to call God that say what did they do? It's not really good. Yeah, so they don't need to the post time for public because there are a lot of children when they watch those things. You know, say because you know, say if they watch just for telly, you see some little children. Understand? We also come. So means they sit down for parlor, see the wash them. Not really good because the thing they spoil children. Now this prophet because say I made the shut down that BB Naija, and they don't need that BB Naija again for Nigeria. I know say because this is go difficult before they could close those. As I say, they register for Nigeria. Because when the prophet you talk and somebody showing on the video, regardez là-bas.
If Nigerian government did not shut BB Naija down, I will shut them down by force. With my spiritual capability, I can do it. I know who I am. I'm not a prophet that is boasting. With my spiritual level, I will destroy BB Naija. I will use my name, my mouth, my spiritual power on them. So it's better for you people to close them down because they are consuming the mind and destroying the mind of our children. No, I cannot take this nonsense again from this country.
And people shouldn't don't watch the video we me take show now just now where the prophet say Paru. Yes, I think go use, if they not shut the Bibi Naija down, he go use the spiritual power to shut down. That's what do you think about this video? Whether it really good, make the shut down the Bibi Naija, or what the Bibi Naija they do, whether it good or bad, whether it's they help people. Understand? Let me because it bring this video. Wanna drop on our advice, as I wanna drop na comment down below to the comment section box. As what do you think about this video? Understand? Thank you once again. More go to another news. My people, Kasala don't see boss for Nigeria. Understand? When I say Kasala don't boss for Nigeria, yeah, for take boss now for worry, because this thing, this message now for those police, for Nigeria police. Understand? Because sometimes if police, I don't really talk from my social media, say when police do good, as if they say they do their work, you need to appreciate them. Yes, not be bad one, or as when you see the good one, you see the good one. When you see the bad one, you see bring and come to this my plus from TV. Understand? In case people go see the user still get sense, because when we see this video, the thing really shortalize me, because if you two they watch and go, they painful to you for those Nigeria police, because as in I have the reason, I don't know whether Nigeria police, whether they go training seriously, whether they don't know how to shoot, or whether they don't know, as in I was tired, because this year the apple for worry, we better say Nigeria police they shoot one small girl, one small baby girl. You understand? The way they shoot her, because they say that they pursue Yahoo people. You understand? It's not really good. Or once that person a Yahoo, not be for public, not be for road. You understand? You need to do your work. Police, this one is a message for you, police. Understand? Anyone will come across this video, wanna share them may reach police, and because this is not really good. I know say yes, police they do their work, they try their best. Understand? But some of the police they don't know how to shoot gun, and some of the police they don't know how to control their own self. You understand? Nigeria citizens now they don't kill many of them. The many innocent Nigeria citizens and police who keep us than those one will not be those one will be those nuisance. Understand? And the decent one and the innocent one, and they keep us than the criminal. That's why it's not really good, because this message for una. Before I go, I could read that for now, because the way they hot and the way they pain for body. Understand, my people? They say police again. You see, police again. Nigeria police officer shot a kid yesterday while chasing boy. The label Yahoo boys in Warri, Delta State. As at this morning, unconfirmed report revealed that the small girl shot by the police in Ejeba, Warri, has died. Because normally, what you read that for now, when the Nigeria police shoot the girl, understand, they be try rush her to hospital early this morning. Now they take hospital report, come see the baby doll that the small girl, little girl, understand, doll that, understand, it's very painful. Understand, it's not really good. Those police are they really beg una, they please una, because this message are for una. Now for now, if una want catch Yahoo boy, not be to the shoot gun. No, there are different ways they say they catch them. Understand? Now for there are different ways. Not be say okay, una see motor, una see any classic motor, una see okay, una the things na they be Yahoo or una they pursue them. Okay, because una not catch them, una you come out for motor, start they shoot. Just now when they shoot anyhow, the bullets go meet anybody. Understand? I know the way they be na Nigeria police anyhow. The job like. Any year belle face. The film is so I don't know whether they go training serious. I don't know whether Nigeria police they go training before they recruit them, whether before they recruit them. I know you all know. Understand? I don't really know whether they not treat them well, whether they not give them the rule and regulation serious. It's not really good. It's not really good. If no one catch criminal, there are different ways, not be for public or to that extent for road. You understand? We also they shoot, because people won't be the innocent. Now those gon go the meat. If I think saying like tell now, I show na the video. Regardez là-bas.
See the one we shoot her. Now they la motor say na I fall down for there. Now he shoot the pikin die so. The pikin don't die. They shoot up inside Sheba. You see there. All the police are not good. All of the see. People are going there for the matter. All the police are not die today. No worry. See their motor. They even shoot the boy motor joint. Shoot it too tire. Shoot everywhere. They won't keep people for the country. Nobody say with the thief. Where is the person?
And people should not watch this video. You see the way this is painful. You see the way crowd, everybody, the way they shout. You understand? It really painful for me. You understand? Because those things not really good. Not really good. Police need to get advice for those, and even governor, president, they need to work towards this issue. Not be any people that they shoot. And when they pursue armed robber, whether you be Yahoo, you be kidnapper, or those things. In order to that extent, you need to shoot them. No. You understand? Now, not need to shoot them instantly, or not need to just start the shoot because they're public. It's not really good, because this they really happen for Nigeria, and this kind of don't kill many innocent people. It don't really kill many innocent people. You understand? It's not really good, because this is painful. Seriously, it's not an advice to all police. If no one catch somebody, you need to use now sense. Some people say now just carry gun, they shoot, or they don't handle that gun, or they don't give that gun. I call the reason say yes, nothing they happen, or they don't put on that uniform. You understand? It's not really good. That make you say for Nigeria, they not the most of them not they respect police. You understand? Even the law not good they good for Nigeria again. You understand? Because they call it look police as one kind, not really good police. And also now see they try some of them, they do not work, but more try do the work better. What I see people say they please you now. You understand? Those killing of innocent is not really good, guys. What do you think about this video? Drop your comment down below to the comment section box. I really love you guys. Once again, we'll go to another news. My people, it don't happen. Why I say it don't happen? Because this one I foresee news for Nigeria. I stand for Borno State. I know Borno State for Nigeria. And this is for the happen. About this, would you someone talking about this Boko Haram? And so now many people know Boko Haram, the way Boko Haram they terrorize people, they kill. You understand? Yet the government go say that they work into this Boko Haram issue. Some of the government they'll say they don't kill the Boko Haram. Yeah, something that they watch news. When I know what I told me, say government they promise say no more Boko Haram, no till they don't kill them. Those things. Understand? Why I make up this news come now? Because this Boko Haram now for Borno State. Now it's one for say happen. But say the Boko Haram they take kidnap. They take kidnap how many people? They take kidnap 5 people. Sorry guys, when they take kidnap 5 people, you understand? For Borno, when they kidnap them, but they say later kill them. But they show the video. I go show that the video. You understand? This one a message. They send message to the president, to the governor. You understand? Say they really come back again. You understand? But they don't say Boko Haram never finish. When governor they talk say Boko Haram not there again, not there. Oh, Boko Haram na lie. You understand? Boko Haram still there, because many people now need to be careful for the state one day, whether now they Borno State or you understand those northern. I just say for the always they act on those Boko Haram. You understand? You guys need to be careful. You understand? Because we know that God grace it take. You understand? But God will need to protect you now. For those Boko Haram, this is not advice so now more than need to stop. Now, no, they call it cash innocent people. You understand? The politician, now they face the politics. As well as not get power on our own, not be those those leader of tomorrow, I understand, or those innocent people, I understand, will not do bad, will not do anything. The people who now need to commit now those the politics. You know what I talk about the politics, yes, we know say that those one they corrupt the country. Now those one I need to go meet the Boko Haram, not be the little citizen or you understand. When I go those innocent people, not really good. You understand the Boko Haram. Don't have message for now. Everyone when they watch me, I say message for that. Mona be careful for. Mona be careful for this Boko Haram. You understand? Before I go there, I need to read them for now, and I go show now the video with the message of Boko Haram when they give the governor, the president. You understand? Those politicians. Mona see what they talk about. You understand? May I go read this news for now. Mona for understand what I talk. Man, I know say not be fake news. I only they talk about for this my platform TV. You understand? Once again, you are welcome. May I go the news. It's a tragic moment. Boko Haram terrorists public execute 5 kidnapped aid workers in Borno State. You see, the wife is gonna very short reading. You understand? I also read that short for them, but I will show you the full video which I talk about. Yeah, the message because it's not really gonna message. Maybe I say Boko Haram. Those Boko Haram people, we better see they send. You understand? What happen when they catch 5 people, kidnap them, even to that extent they will persecute them. That's why it's not really good. That's why I don't need to the key the innocent people. We better say when I go they leave the bad ones. You understand? They seen those people who basically they do money, those ritual people, you understand? Now need to face those ones, or those Fulani S-mail, now need to face those ones, or those governors, those politicians, now need to face them, not be those innocent people who basically they suffer down their own, or you understand? It's not really good, you understand? Now you they kill the innocent blood and say the people who they spoil the country when not fit catch them or not fit go meet them, and the easy citizen now fit they catch, not really good. What you gain, understand? The Boko Haram people, not really good. This is a message for now. When they do those things, mona be careful and mona stop, understand? Than to kill now citizen or to they kill the innocent citizen for Nigeria. Is not really good. They understand my people. And be the message. Mo go to the news of this Boko Haram. I show now the video. Regardez là-bas.
Ko zuwa ga wayanda arna suke amfani da su zuwa kafirtar da mutane. Ku sani da kyau ya ku yau da rarru. Ya ku masu yi kungiyan kafirci aiki. Kuna biyan bukatan su ne amma su ba sa bukata da ku. Yasa ma idan muka kama ku ba sa nuna damuwa. Kiran da zamu muku ku tuba ku koma wa Allah. Za mu tare ku a dukkan hanyoyin ku da kuke wucewa. Kuma in ba ku ji ba makoman wayannan su ne zai koma makoman ku.
My people, show that don't watch the video of this Boko Haram, you understand? Even them, they diverse, you understand? They diverse. I don't know what they need when governor not do for them. And this video message now, those for governor, if una employ work for Nigeria, I believe for my suggestion, I believe say those things not for the occur, those killing, kidnapping, stealing, understand? I believe say those things not for the occur, because then they very say okay, maybe those politicians or you understand that they loot our Nigerian money, they loot Nigerian money, you understand? Maybe like all of those ignorance when Boko Haram go to see those things for news, then go the verse say the money when they Nigeria, then the politician they eat and why then will be the citizen that they suffer, you understand? But if those kind of things they occur, not be for the innocent citizen, not be there for the key, or not be there for the kidnap, or not be there for the you understand? Therefore, they face the governor where they steal the money, those politicians, you understand? And therefore, they face that say you could kill those innocent people. What do you gain? Those Boko Haram, when they persecute those people who basically the innocent people, we don't know one, we don't know two. But then because say that they easy to catch, you understand? Drop your comment down below, you understand? Anything when I want to talk about, they drop in a comment. My fans, I really appreciate. Understand? What do you think about this video? Or what do you think about this Boko Haram? For this, whether it's really good when they key, or they need to stop, or they need to face the governor than the innocent people. Drop your comment down to the comments section box. As I really appreciate. We'll go to another news. Once again, the way they hold, because no time to check time. My people, Kasala don see burst to so this one a very strong ogbonge news. The word always dey tell una say this my platform. Now those ogbonge news that always dey talk about, those strong news that always dey talk about, and those latest news, because this news it shockalize me. No many people wey dey call themselves pastor, or those many fake pastors with the app wey I start. When I know what I talk, many people basically dey go church, and some pastor wey God not call, wey dey call themselves pastor. Not really good for what una dey do, you understand? Cause this video, when me see this, I will show them the video, you understand? The thing really dey shockalize, I really shockalize, you understand? Cause very this this video, if you too you watch am or you read am, the thing get the way it be for your ear, you understand? This man, cause say pastor, he rape 2 sisters, you understand? He sleep with 2 sisters, a member of his church. 2 sisters, you understand? One at 17 years and one at 18 years. You see 2 sisters and then pastor, we call it pastor, even sleep with them. You see, because this, as in nowadays, some of the pastor, they bring religion down, they bring those Christianity down. Seriously, those pastors they call themselves Christianity, those Christianity pastors, they bring other pastors down. Because many people will see those things now. Church, no, as in they not they happy with for those churches for Nigeria. Some of them will say churches are fake. You see, some of them say this thing, say those pastors, they not be real man of God, they be fake. You're saying not really good. If you be pastor, as I say you are a pastor, married, or you get your wife, focus with that one. That say you can go bring yourself down, or the name of that your church, you understand? You not gonna get respect again. Then you can use your hand to spoil your church by yourself, you understand? The tell me parable say kill yourself by yourself than say other people call kill you, understand? You better kill yourself by yourself, understand? It's not really good, because this thing really, when me see this video, it did painful to me. And also those 2 sisters who by say this pastor go rape when their mother even they cry, understand? It's very painful. You call yourself man of God and you bring disgrace to your member. You see, bring disgrace to your church, and you see bring disgrace to yourself. What it go happen you to that extent? The pastor say, oh God, this word there, before you see the real strong Christianity or strong pastor nowadays, real man of God, you go dey hard, because the pastor come to say he go marry the 18 years girl, the small one, the 17 years girl, you know, marry, maybe that one say me they go do abortion for that one. That's an old pastor say me the whole abort that one pregnancy. You see, what do you think about this video? This man a real man of God, or a really good when they pregnant these 2 girls? Drop your these 2 sisters. Drop your comment down to the comment section. Before we go to make we read them for now. Mona for understand what I want to talk about, and I will show now the video. It's a self-acclaimed Pastor Iduka Anyanku, 28, who allegedly pregnant 2 sisters, 17 and 13 years old girl at the Oshodi area of Lagos State, is seen in this video being shaded by the mother of the girls from arrest. Pastor Anyanwu allegedly said he will marry the 17 years old girl, but were precaution abortion with the 13 years old girl. You see, because you see the way I tell read and understand, I just read and lead you more for understand, my people, understand? Because you see where this man tell say instead go marry the 17 years girl, because that one see mature pass lead you, while the 13 years girl, you know, marry that one. Why me they call do the abortion? You know those are abortion, I understand. Me they call do the abortion, but police already arrest and the police call study. Understand? You see when the mother they cry, understand? Because now embarrassment. You see say those girls now that they go church now, they don't know say though they say mommy they get money morning service or evening service, morning service, evening service. They don't know say the pastor just they shop their suya. They really shop their suya by people. Because this news and they're very hot news. And so of course nowadays pastor una need to be careful, because some of the pastors that they bring embarrassment to those pastors, to the other pastor. Where I say God say call. Yes, I know say some of the pastors they'll say God call them. As I know what it's talking about. That's that. Because why I always say laugh. My people when I know verse do why they laugh for this my platform, because they read the shock me sometimes. I they read the shock lies. If I they see some kind of news when they come my way, you understand. Because no say if they talk things about pastor, they go say don't judge, do not judge man of God, not judge man of God. As far as the man of God will not respect himself, you need to bring and come to the platform to talk him, or other pastor when you see they watch, they'll see you and still get sense. You understand? They say if they hide secret, or if they hide something that's when not good, at the end many people not they see the same person go see they do that thing, you know, see no. Now when you bring her out, then once they do that kind of thing, they'll see shortalize, they'll see reduce their weight, those they are seeing what they'll see they see, or those things what they see they do, they'll see and still get sense, they'll see reduce their body away from those things. Now you'll be the team and people. What do you think about this video or this reading about this pastor about say rape we sleep with this two sisters, and those two sisters, they know they mature, might call them underage. Understand? They won't be, they never will cross above 18 or 19. Understand? They be say underage when this pastor more than 28 years, so you they sleep with them. Understand? This is a disgrace to pastor and some of the pastor. This man they bring disgrace to some of the pastor where they did good, where they know they do those things. Understand? Because many people when they see this news or when they see those things, understand, or they say there's no real man of God. Understand? What do you think about this man? What do you think about this video? You understand? Drop your comment to this comment section. You understand? Just whatever you think, you drop your comment. You understand? And like this video, share this video for your friends, for your loved ones, or what did they happen? You could see they'll see you and stay get sense. You understand? My show than the video when the woman take the cry where they arrest the pastor. Regardez là-bas.
Let's go. I said you're going to go. Yes, leave madam now. Follow her. I will come here. They'll come and disgrace you. You do respect yourself.
My people, should I don't watch the video just now? You see the way the children mother they cry, you understand? You will see the way the pastor way police they arrest and you know really good. Now say my cocky show now this video. What do you think about this video? Drop your comment for the comment section box. Once again, we'll go to another news. Hello my people, this news we want show now, so and this news really shortalize me. This answer because many things just they go home for Nigeria. Most of this Oyo State and this news now for city happen. That means maybe copy give na this Ogbogen news. Now that be the hot news we better say they happen for many things when they always they occur Oyo State, Lagos State. You understand those things we better say they really they painful to person. We better say this innocent man. You understand? No OPC. Many people know OPC. If you in Nigeria, you understand? Those OPC, the way they take catch this man, whereby they say this man steal phone. You understand? But on the back rider, and in life for years say it's still a phone. And this phone no worth anything. And your account those old modern phone. You understand? Meanwhile, this thing not be real. You understand? Maybe the back rider don't know where this phone they or misplace the phone again. You see that the man ain't steal the phone. Understand? For that extent, OPC member call work towards this issue. They call over beat this guy, beat and of that extent. They beat him to death. It's very painful. To that extent, wait because he pay me for his side. They cause it transfer the guy money. Those OPC member, you understand? They cause it transfer the guy 3,000. They transfer to their OPC account. Yes, I know see those OPC they will be stealing and they will still pass and say, you see what I talk about every year now corruption. You understand? And they will they corrupt more than these things will even occur. So person will not steal from they will beat down to death and say the innocent man with the kid they will transfer that one 3,000 put for their account. You know really good my people. That means okay, my quick give now this news, my read down for now. What do you think about this news? Because now for this news I don't show now the video 1, 2 I don't show now the picture because it's very painful because of YouTube, you understand? I don't know whereby if I put on YouTube, if you could block this my platform, and maybe no one put the video and the picture. It's very painful, you understand? But I go just read down for now. I'm gonna try understand what I talk about. If I don't read down, I go see explainly to you. When I say I see explain give you my people, may I could read and give you the way it is hot. It's an innocent man cry of cold death after mercilessly beaten by OPC member in Oyo State. A sad report has emerged from Oyo State after a group of OPC Odua People Congress member assaulted an innocent man, died some hours later. As per report gathered by Ainajag from the family of the deceased, Offenbright, a construction company worker, was expectedly and wrongly accused by a group of OPC members from Sango Zone, Ibadan, Oyo State. The deceased, who was returning from work around 9:30 p.m. of August 25, 2020 with his friend before he was abused by strange motorcycle rider, and his passenger claiming that Offenbright stole one of the accuser item 300. You know those accuser 100 phone. He worth 300 naira, yes, and 3,000 naira that he worked for. He said we later gathered that he was mercilessly beaten and under just transferring 3,000 naira from his phone to the OPC accused, despite the fact that they later acknowledged that he did not steal the phone. As at the time friend and family landed at this spot, the deceased could not speak anymore, shivering while sitting on the ground. You see, this news, when me read this news, because it didn't really pain me. You now see the way me they read down, you understand? That would they short. You understand? When I say short, is that I read the shock. You understand? I read shortalize for this news when really occur. You understand? Because the guy now he not steal the phone and the no bike rider and he just put allegation for you. You know, see some bike rider who say they'll carry passenger. The more that they drive, they go their phone or their wallet go feel lost. You understand? But some of them go to say that the passenger na thief the phone, you understand, or say that the passenger thief the phone or na thief the wallet, you understand, then they will bring alarm, you go cause alarm, you understand. People who don't know one, we don't know two, we go interfere for the issue. Now they don't know the way it go, that's how they beat the passenger, you understand, with the bike rider carry. Now be what happen for this guy who basically they beat to death, you understand. And the bike rider man, he carried this passenger, and this passenger na even constructing worker, then it would be, understand, those construction, then it would be work, it would come for work, understand, that the film is already city occur, so understand. And then the bike rider, you know, whether you know where a phone do or you don't know where a phone do, but he put allegation for this man head. After the allegation, maybe OPC were member, they call work towards this issue. Because you know, say they not using yet to say thief or stealing, you understand. Whether not real, whether not be real, they not investigate the issue where then they start they beat this guy. Before they beat the OPC member, they call transfer the guy where he died, so and that could transfer 3,000 for their account being for city live on, understand. Yet, after they don't transfer, they cause the beat him. When they beat him before the guy call give up, understand. Before they rush and go hospital, they now fit the guy already there, you understand. Now police investigation don interfere to this matter, you understand. Then when they call look and say yes, this thing not be real, this guy not really see the phone, they call, you understand. No, investigation must surely go home because the family interfere, because the boy family not dey there, a mother, a brother, a father, you know, they even to that extent this man he will get a wife and children, get 3 children and 1 wife. That's how we best they all key to death. It's not really good, my people, because people will better say their thing they lost, they not go find now. This one this advice on now. Understand? Because most people no their thing not go they don't know where they keep their thing put. Understand? Then any of their friends when you come that so you go work up that for that place, they go say that their friend ain't still them. Understand? Because many things like this they go, they lead and they go police station. Those innocent people we don't know 1 or no 2. Understand? They will accuse them for what they don't stay. Because this thing they really up for Africa. You understand? They really occur. Understand, my people, must be careful because it not really Apple. Because see this one, even the Akate no work 300 naira. Understand? No, those old Akate phone. Listen, so you know what reach 3,000 naira. We better say they take key this young man. As at the end, what the man not do? They put and say it do, but really because he said the guy not really stick his phone. He do the custody, they don't cash the 3 whether 3 OPC member with they even yes, I not really good, my people. Now this will be the news. So basically I could give una a case. What do you think about this news one I read give una? Whether it really good, we better see those OPC member. We know say yes, some the OPC member they be try me they do their work, but not be to that extent. The way, for my opinion and for my advice, they need to carry the guy Andorra to police, because OPC and those police, they say they work together, you understand? They need to Andorra to police, make police do their investigation. Not be to that extent, they also they beat them and they see still the guy 3,000 naira, because the guy transfer 3,000 for their account C8. They see beat him. It's not really good. What do you think about this man news, or what do you think about this death, this innocent man who basically they keep for you state about them? What do you think about it? Whether it's really good, the OP stay beat him, or really good? Yes, I'm gonna just drop on a comment for the comment section box. Once again, we'll go to another news. Hello, my people. This is what we want to give you a very strong Ogboge news that we want to talk about. When we want to give you so, because this news wanted stubborn killer who work with many sham has been finally killed. You understand? The doctor with police they find this guy. You like some of Anini we basically they work out with charm. You understand? Any person will come with always they kill a very bastard strong criminal. Even to tie extent government say any person will see him. You understand? When if he kill and they will give him 1 million naira. You understand? The doctor way this matter the do, you understand? You will pass Anini. You understand? That means my quick call show now. The reading go show now the video where say the police they would they jubilate the way they would say killer, and that's my quick call given at the news, the way the news they hot. You understand, my people? It's a long wanted stubborn killer who worked with many sham has been finally killed by Amotekun Force. Amotekun Force. It's a Amotekun corpse has knocked down and wanted killer who was placed 1 million to anyone who kill him and find him. The killer who worked with a lot of sham, he was fight many bullets on him by police but was not penetrate him. It was even the Amotekun corpse who accompanied the police that apprehended him after several incantations between him and them. The police bullet fired from their AK-47 could not penetrate him. His body, after a exchange of incantation by the leader of the Amotekun from Ile Efe, he was gunned down with a den gun. Ogere residents jubilated mostly because by 7 o'clock p.m. everyone is inside their house with their door locked down due to fear of being hacked down by this serial killer. The 1 million naira placed on him as bounty by the governor will be given to the Amotekun corps. As some the wife read that for them before. Even this guy who pass Anini. When I know the way Anini be now, I understand the way Anini they always they shoot, they would they kill, you understand any person will come your way, you understand this one will pass Anini, then be this one, you would not see what they would they find out before, you understand, to that extent, even AK-47, no would they hurt a body, can you imagine the way this matter is strong rich, because lot of charm now day for a body, you understand, before police will kill her, now even the community, those elder, those leader incantation, you understand, they would all work up, put or do everything put before they fit catch this guy, you understand, before they fit stay kill her, very difficult. When they would kill her, they would happy, even police, they would happy, you understand, you don't take with all the terrorize the community. Now this is for happen Nigeria, you understand, my people, you understand, because this video, this one, this video now advice to all youth, you understand, because it's not really good, because those things what they do, they don't say one day they go die. Those stealing, kidnapping, rapists, that's not really good, because one day, because the way you they do, one day that person must surely see die. I say not really good. But this one and the others or those youth who say they don't want me their focus, or they don't want me to remove their hand for Baba thing. That's some my people. What do you think about this video? Drop your comment. Might show na the video. Regardez là-bas.
We were able to have a pinpoint location of where he was hiding in the bush, and we engaged him. He broke bottles again, drew the cutlasses. The cutlass is in the vehicle there in case you want to see it, the one he had been using to hack people to death. Then, of course, we replied. We maimed him on the leg. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a fatal injury.
State Governor Jodu, on his part, explains that the suspected serial killer was alleged to have killed about 7 people at different locations in the area. He warns criminals to steer clear of Ogun State.
We will not rest until we flush you out. We will not harbor any criminal in any guise. Whatever it is you call yourself, either you are a kidnapper, you are an armed robber, or you are a cultist. For us, you are all the same. We will leave no stone unturned until we flush you out and bring you to book. This state is the gateway state. We intend to ensure that we continue to provide that enabling environment for a public-private sector partnership, which we believe is very fundamental to the economic growth of this state and individual prosperity of you and I.
Now people should not say where the video where say the police they would they jubilate, the women they would they talk and see they talk the news, understand, because this is not really good. Even say before they will kill this man, this criminal, very strong evil person, understand, lot of charm every day, but before they kill, they difficult. The welfare city talking before, and the community people that they will do incantation work towards this issue before they fit kill and for police. Even to that extent, AK-47 over the entire body, you understand, now be 18, you understand, because this video now advice to those YouTubers say they like to the put on for bad thing. As I not really good my people. If they put on for bad thing, this video will give you many sense, or this news me they talk about it will give you many sense. Try to remove hand for bad thing. Understand? The more they put on for bad thing, the more you see they say the repercussion. Understand? It's not really good. Guys, what do you think about this man? What do you think about this news and this video? Drop your comment for the comment section box. Once again, we'll go to another news. Hello my people, this is also Castellador happen for Dubai, you understand, United Emirates, you understand, because this thing, you know, Hush Puppy, because of Hush Puppy, where they say he take money from those people, you understand, but a fraud issue, those Yahoo stuff when they do, because of that one, and I know what the app will say Dubai, the United Emirates, because of Sinana. they don't ban many Nigeria, you understand? To that say they don't would give the, if they would order for visa, they not good. We people with the Dubai now they call they suffer for the crime what they don't do. Man will do person will do crime, that one they one place, but person will not do crime, they call the use until they case that person. Because see the video, I go show that this video where say when one brother take cry hard, take record and they show them say many people they sleep for streets, yes, and even government, Nigeria government, no even as in know your help, they don't want you to help them. As when they take the streets of Dubai, yes, and you know now code they come so also as they never eat. You see to that is they never eat. They don't they spend more than some days for the streets. It's not really good for the crime what they don't do because they don't they stranded for streets for what happened because of Hush Puppy. And I know those popular Instagram celebrities what they call Hush Puppy Nigeria per se stand because of the crime we don't want to do, but the country against many Nigeria citizens for Dubai as many of the does cry out. You see to that extent Nigeria the Nigeria government understand they no one care, they no care, they no want even hear, they would all try to reach them, they no man. This message now advice and message to Nigeria government. I don't know what una no value una citizen. Una say what they happen for another country. Una need to go rescue them from Dubai because you see many people now they call it look Nigeria citizen, even their own citizens, even their own leader, no fit help their citizens. I'm always say another person. It's not really good. You see the way the guy the cry out, they call the Nigeria government. And this is an advice. Nigeria government una need to help una citizen. Seriously, una need to help una citizen. What una dey there for? Let me say una be the leader. Una want they lead the citizen and anything when happen for outside country. Una no want una help. It's not really good. Una try okay whether na plane or anything una want try go to carry good there. Una try carry them come out because they suffer because this is another man picking. Understand? Another person picking be those one. When men say they go die for street there or they go die for Dubai there, it's not really good. The government need to work towards this issue. Understand? Please, me see the beg una any if this video come na way, muna try to call help and any friend, anybody who see they watch this video, una need to call share this video. Understand? Make this video, muna share and make all regions government hand, make government do something about these people with this stranded for Dubai. If not inside the mention of the video. Regardez là-bas.
Please, as in any way you can help us. These are Nigerians here. A lot of some of them are, I don't know where some of them are right now. You can see a lot of bags here. These are bags. These are people's bags. These are people's bags. Look at it. A lot of people are suffering here. This is bags everywhere. These are bags of Nigerians. We are actually stranded here in Dubai. You can see people's bags. Everybody's stranded here now. We just need help. This is a field. You can imagine. This is almost 12 midnight here. And some of them might have not eaten or anything. You can see how stranded we are. And we have government. Please, they should just try to do something. The consulate man came today. He wasn't actually saying anything that was making sense. Please, we need help. We need help. Seriously, we need something to happen. Please. I don't even know. Some people might have not eaten. And they've been here since 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. this morning. I was here this morning too, around 6 a.m. I also left. These people now that are here, some of them haven't paid their house rent. They can't afford the house rent again. You can see now, even Nigerian girls, everybody. Some don't even have expired visa. They just need to go back home. They can't continue paying this. This money is too much. The life is too expensive. Some came with the hope of getting a good job. But there is no job. We just need the government to do something. Please, we are Nigerians. We also have rights to everything that is happening. Please, we have rights. Please, let the government try to do something. Please. is very important to us. Most of them might have not eaten since morning and they are here since this time of the day. Please, something should happen, please. We pray for something to happen, please. We have like 3 of our delegates that are going to the consulate tomorrow to try to get them for us. So please, you guys should help us everywhere possible. Some have gone, some of them, their bags are here. As you can see, the bags that are there. This morning, there are more than 300 people here this morning. Please. Please, 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 please. We need help.
My people, should not don't watch the video. You understand when the guy record those people for street. You understand? Now see what they happen for Dubai, you know, really good. And also, my people, if not they go to Dubai, you understand, if I not get anybody, you understand, when I try to see use now, so now make sure say when I arrange now safe, you understand, because also if I did Dubai, when I see they get money or when they work, when I need to gather money because when I don't know what it go happen tomorrow, because I don't know if you put up for government or Nigeria government, I know the way Nigeria government they be, because their issue they always they take time before they help. If it don't matter, never cause big problem, it is difficult to understand. Now you'll be 18. What do you think about this video? We say those guys say the streets, you understand? What do you think about, or what do you think about the government? We say government no take help them, or they never see help them. You understand? What do you think about this video? Drop your comment for the comment section post. We'll go to another news. Hello my people, Kasala don happen. Another new Google news for Delta State. That is not for it happen. You understand? Because about this man, we say these 2 men who rape this girl. The film is not really good for many girls. They pass this pain because say they be orphan. They say so the whole stay with their uncle or their cousin or their nephew. Even to that extent, those people who they don't even know the film is some mother or some father they go hand around to them. It's not really good. And this news now, why they talk about this news? In case many people go see and stay get sense. This about those rape or that's not really good for Nigeria, or not only Nigeria, for Africa. What maybe one could read and give a case now. See and say get sense. Many people they carry their children, how they give people, may they take care of, or may they give their brother, their sisters, or your son all the way say because say the film is so not really good. You understand? Not really good. I mean, Miss McQueen read this news, give you now understand the way this thing for the way they occur and the way this they always they happen for every year. Not really good. Man, could read them for now, my people. It say 2 men arrested for defying a 15-year-old orphan in Delta State. It say 2 Nigerian men have been arrested by the operative of SARS and Nigeria police on Friday for allegedly raping a 15-year-old orphan in Delta State. The men arrested are identified as Solomon and Opolo. They were apprehended following a tip of from an informant who approached Advocate Harrison Gwanishu, who then involved the police. It was gathered that the victim, who an orphan and lived with her uncle, has been molested several by her benefactor and turned into a sex slave. Her uncle, who she lived with, has been molesting her since she was 10 years and gave her as unofficially wife to an old bike man who she know live with and perform sexual duties of a wife to. Solomon and Opolo, who are neighborhood, took turns to defy her on August 14, 2020, with 3 other men in the former house, and was given 50 naira to keep mouth shut. The victim told a friend of her ordeal and that how Advocate Harrison got involved. A source said, although 3 of the suspects are still at large, DPO Abraka Division, Mr. Hassan said investigation were ongoing and they will be it brought to book. My people, now this one be the thing we be say I call give una the film so now be the news we be say I just quick call read give una understand. I beg una no verse the way I read them na no see cause the way the news see they be sometimes you know really they easy, but I just try my just quick fast and settle down and read them for now. But as I say many people will not feel understand that, but I will let una I go understand the news for now. I go make sure say yes una understand this news because this girl na a family take her to a uncle, you understand, I know the way they be from the Nigeria. So it's not my uncle or it's not my sister, understand, or it's not my cousin. The film is so then they take this little girl for age of 10 years when they take Andorra to a uncle, but a uncle they maltreat and that maltreat and beating, you understand, you know, really easy. When the girl reach 15 years old, you understand, to that extent, the uncle to one bike man, that's a bike man right there. That's to that extent, that bike man right there, a very advanced man, old man, because they sleep with the girl, understand, they call which use as sexy toy for the man house. The film say he call use that girl as sexy toy. Anytime when the man take come for work, first thing and the girl they good target, you know, really good. Uncle when they do such things, you know, really good. Now not fit taken as now children, they wanna take care of our children. Now not fit take another person picking us now. What you come make una accept the girl, say okay, make they stay with una, you know, really good. Una advice stand for those people when they do such thing when they wicked to other person children, you know, really good. That's not really good. Then after that, this old man rider, they sleep with him. To that extent, another of a friend, the same thing, they call it sleep with him. Your neighborhood, cause they sleep with a common one girl, you see, and the girl and see on the age, you know, above 18 years, they sound so, you know, really good, my people. That means okay, Michael show now, Michael could read and give now. What do you think about? What I say this old man, this uncle, handle this girl to advance man those bike rider, whether it good or not. When I drop in a comment, but thank God, say okay. He does the police custody and even to that extent those in neighbor even some of the because call those girl lawyer who basically they say call now that lawyer call handle the issue to police. Yes, I know say lawyer now for you go into the matter or if it's get this issue into the matter, you understand? Then the lawyer do his work. God bless that man. That informant, so you say informant lawyer, God will also bless you, understand? If you not see anything where they go on like this, you need to communicate with police, you need to involve police or lawyer into this case because this thing need to stop, you understand? And those human rights not really good for Nigeria, my people. I really appreciate what you think about this my reading. Drop your comment down below to the comment section box. Yes, whether it's good or not, drop your comment here. One love. We'll go to another news. Hello my people, see this news one we want to talk about now for all parents, you understand? Those are the only they talk news about parents and police. Me I don't know why because their news always they come this my platform TV, the film. So what we want talk about is that because and this small boy will be 30 years old, will be say a father lock him for house, you understand, for how many years to that extent, you understand the boy if it's the way it's book up because I know the way black those skeleton, you understand, it like skeleton when it lock him, they lock him for one room like say he want kid the boy. I don't know why what he up why the man the matrix this one as you so the film. So if you another man picking call, if you another person picking, how it go be the film. So maybe this man go all kill and direct before people call feel rescue this boy, you understand? If you say a very difficult and very painful heart, I go read down for them before I call explain what you think about this. You don't want to talk about, then when I'll drop on a comment for the comment section box here. Once again, stay blessed and let me read the news the way they hot the film. So my people, he say a 13 years old boy who was abused and locked up by his father and for the jail for tear my people. So this they say the issue of child abuse has become very rampant in our country and it is against the rampant in our country, and it is against the law of the country and humanity. According to the report by Jonet Mewa, a humanitarian worker, it was reported that the parents of the young boy were divorced, after which his father started taking full care of him. In some case of divorce, it is advisable to let the child be with his mother, no matter the issue, because it is not common for a mother to maltreat their child. Unfortunately, this 13-year-old boy got to be in the custody of his father. The heartbreak part of this news is that the boy's father married more wives after he divorced his first wife. What kind of behavior do you expect from stepwife toward the first wife child? It was further reported that this young boy was expulsed from the main house and forced to live and sleep in a very inconvenient room, where he sometimes starved and suffered. He said, where he sometimes starve and suffer. This is wickedness at the highest level, because I think that no matter the level of hatred you have for someone, you don't endanger his life. Seeing the photo below, it is so sad to see this young boy looking so skinny. The police raided his father's home in Maduguri to rescue this young boy who was suffering, and his father and stepmother were arrested, according to report. See the photo. I'll drop the photo for my people, because if you see the way this boy be saying, this one I just advice for some of the parents. I don't really talk this about some of the parents, because they bring disgrace to people, disgrace to those parents and those men. They always bring disgrace some of the parents, because if you see the way this boy they tiny, oh my God, he over tiny to that extent, and God even could save him. Understand? Because of say this boy mother, the first wife, the boy mother and the father, they divorced. The mother not carry this boy follow body. He called it with the father. The father consider take off to that extent, because before the father come marry many wives. You understand? It's not be one wife, not be two wives, more than. You understand? More what it don't become more than, it don't many be that one. You understand? Now those woman and the father, they call gather, they maltreat the boy, lock him for room. They don't even give him food. You understand? If you see the boy called Valin, not really good, my people, because this is not advice to some of the parents and some of the stepmother. You understand? Even say no buna pikin, and I need to take care of that pikin, because that pikin not do na anything. You understand? I don't fit get hatred because say no buna pikin or no buna bona, it's not really good, serious. Because some of the stepmother need to get those bad hatred to someone children, because they not gonna get the picking. You understand? Many of women they do such because they, okay, the man, the wife, they not they together the picking when the man gets, because the man come marry another wife. Then now that stepmother we call pufwas, you call the maltreat her. This news now for those now advice to those stepmother and some of the parents when they marry now the repercussion one at the face or one at the scene now be this one. I see you still guessing for this man platform TV. That's when I already talk those Ubogen news, those news one already talk what the happen. I see you stay guessing, stay get more wisdom. Parents, and stepmother, please una need to stop. Understand? Even say no puna pikin, wanna try to take care of that pikin. Because if that pikin becomes something tomorrow, you go feel remember una say yes. Now this stepmother now take care of me when my mother not deal with my father. Now the same stepmother now treat me well. When I say my mother, understand? Not say deal with my father. You know say many children say they will like stepmother more than their mother. Because why is that? If they don't grow up, they deal with that their stepmother take care of them well, you train them well, take care of their children. They not even remember their mother. Many of them they like that, you understand? And some of the stepmother they say they do like that, you understand? Now that stepmother they call take as their mom because they ain't take good care of them, they ain't treat them, they feel me so they like that. While some of them we also did some of the stepmother they also wicked to that extent the children the picking grew. The mother they see that stepmother though they run away, even say they'll run come for that home because the way the stepmother or their father they maltreat them, they unbearable with them, you know, really good. So these are advice or some of the parents and some of the stepmother wanna stop. Now when they do this thing, not really good. But thank God say now Nigeria for take happen, but police don't come because he arrest the father and the stepmother that they under police custody. If you see this boy, I will show now the picture the way the boy take did tiny, you understand? If you will say and say if you not go hungry you or you will short lives or the painful heart when the way they maltreat this boy. Thank you, my people. We'll go to another news. What do you think about this? When I drop in a comment for this news one I read about this boy, the way father, whether really good when a father take as in looking for us, if father and stepmother, the way they maltreat her, whether I really good drop wanna drop on a comment for the comment section box. We'll go to another news, my people. My people, see this news one I talk about now about this criminal, those 3 criminal we could go steal for church. People when they steal, those armed robbers when they steal for church, it's not really good because this is an advice to una. Because now if you get that mind, see when I want to go stay for church. When I don't say hey, Jesus they look una or angel of God they look una. This news happen for those data state and for the happen, not really good. Those criminal. They only talk about criminal for this man platform TV. They say so it's not really good. Because I need to stop. Serious, everywhere na armed robber. Because many youths they don't want to work. Many people they don't want to work. Understand? See they please those government. I beg. See employ work. See I'm gonna do things when they good. I'm gonna bring Nigeria to good news. Understand? Make that good news they come out for Nigeria. Not be those bad news. Not be good they come out for Nigeria government. If not to offer those people work, as some of them when go school graduate, they know they get work. Whether not because of that one, many armed robbers this streets or make kidnappers, rapists, cover many, we don't know. Drop your comment for the comment section. As we'll go to the news before we read down for now fast. The way they hot, cause no time to check time, my people. 3 church robbers caught stealing musical instruments in Delta State. 3 professional robbers has been caught while trying to rob a Catholic church, St. Anglican Church, of their musical instruments worth 2 million naira in Agbo, Delta State. According to report, the group were said to be specialized in robbing churches of their musical instruments and later sent it to Alaba Market in Lagos. AGS media gathered that they were robbing 3 churches one night and were about to rob the 4th when luckily run out on them. A Toyota Corolla vehicle with a 419 plate number, which they use in carrying out their operation, were also discovered. My people, that's not be the news when me could show now, so we best me could read. So the film is so it's not really good. Now see the way that this one not be even first time they don't fair rob for 3 churches before this one the 4th one when I say God catch them. You understand? We got to arrest them. I know what happen for Apostle Paul. We better say they go away when got to arrest them on the way. You understand? Then what happen for those people is not really good. People with the still una still get mad to say go church because of the instrument for church. As they say worth 2 million naira. After they don't steal and they will send and go Alaba market for Lagos. You understand? You see some of them, you see say people with the season for Nigeria, those second, it not be new one. I call those things when they steal, now the coco they said they give them, you understand? Oh God, now they people at the end. You will go buy those things now. Person will get that thing now. You got the problem. When you see that thing for your hand, you go say now you steal and you call. You know say they always the apple for Nigeria. Person go thief phone. You call slang marketer. Why are you for take for this marketer now? The owner cost it that phone now and the person mark that phone well. You go say now your phone. You don't know what you want or you got the problem. Now be those people and those people those marketer when they buy those second now need to be careful. Understand? Because if una want get over again, this message now advice for you guys and those armed robbers. Serious, not really good because una face the problem also. The way they take catch those armed robbers, if police catches, okay, make they go and do run to those people they sell and give them and they can't go the marketer place is store and that marketer now you can see the problem is not really good by people because many people now need to get sense nowadays because people when go steal something because he give another person or go sell and give that person the same that person now say steal now say steal them. You understand? For example, now this armed robber with their cash now, with they steal something now, they can go sell and give marketer, and those marketer now no receipt, nothing. Now see stealing be that one. When the enter police custody, they call her stealing. When the enter court issue, they call her stealing be that one. Una need to be careful those marketer and those armed robber. Una need to remove una for babati. Una need to change because there are a lot of work when they wanna go work, not be by stealing. Go steal church, old church, Prince church, not really good. That's not those Catholic church, whether you be now Catholic or not Catholic, God they look una. That's not really good. Now bigger sin when they not be that one, not really good, my people. What do you think about this armed robber? What by say go steal for church? It good when they steal or it's not good with the TC for sure. Just drop your comment for the comment box section. Thank you. Once again, we'll go to another news. Hello, my people. This is one show and so we can talk about. I don't know whether another fair listing for those news we fair follow social media about this Uwala, this Uniben student for Edo get. Yes, I know this girl and I do those states that Benin girl will be with the study for Uniben. The famous where they take key for church, where they understand, where they rape and they kill them for church. Understand? Now, the truth about this Uwala death, it already show, it already come out, understand, it already reveal. Now, maybe we carry this news, call give now, my cousin read them for now, and they are going to see show una the video with the way police arrest them, when they want to use this get to do money. Because if you even look and go, they short alliance, you understand, many people will use this my platform to take get sense. Because if you don't use my platform to take get wisdom or more, I don't know what will go happen. When I try my best, when I they watch this my Ogbogen news, when they already talk about, when they follow me for this my YouTube, for this my platform, when I like to share this video, like this video, and then ring the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you could notify the new Ogbogen news when they already talk about. As I'm more go, what you carry me come here about Uwala news when me want read for now, you go with the chapter lies. But thank God say the thing where it occur, it already happen. You understand? It already show at the death of Uwala. It already come out. You understand? Thank God say those police they work out, they not sit down, they walk towards the city to catch the people when they under the death of Uwala. Understand? Are really happy for this news when really happen. So I could read and give now before I show now the video. Nothing say at the lie. It says justice for Uwala. We were paid 1 million to kill her for ritual alleged killer. The Edo State Police Command has parade 6 suspects over the rape and murder of a Uniben student, Uwala Omozuwa. Uwala was found in a pool of her own blood inside a church where she had gone to read during the coronavirus lockdown period. She was rushed to a hospital where she gave up the ghost. The suspects, who have now been paraded by the police, included Nelson Ogbebo, Akato Valentine, and Mrs. Tina Samuel, Mrs. Mary Ade Nosa Osaboyen, and Collins Olegbe. The suspect confessed that a certain Mrs. Mary Ade paid them 1 million naira to carry out the dastardly act. After they were done, they used a white handkerchief to clean her blood, then handed it over to Mrs. Ade. You see, when the news reached, I've heard. After that, I go show you the video, because now see what they happen. That death of Uwala, now person then same thing. Yes, I mean the kid again. You know, see the girl virgin. You understand? You know, see many people where they do rituals, they know what it good for them. They know what it go see bring money come for them. Cause this na really painful heart, very painful. The film so. And this lady sent this suspect made the whole key Uwala because na virgin. You know when she dey study and during the time of coronavirus, when call study for church, and then they kill her. After that, they rape with the Uwala. After they rape her, then they can use the handkerchief to clean the girl private part. Another handkerchief they can go hand around to the woman when send them when they want to use them to do money. But suddenly, police work towards this issue. You understand? That be the news with me bring come to the mona see the way this life be, the way this world be. You understand? Different things they happen. You understand? I show on the video the way police they catch them, the way they confess. Regardez là-bas.
Don't come around there. Don't come around
The child Omozua had left her home to read her books in a serene environment in the church building. And these criminals went into the church building to wreak havoc, where she was raped because the postmortem examination result had actually confirmed that, where she was raped and gruesomely murdered. The matter was of great concern to the Inspector General of Police, IGP Muhammad Abubakar Adamu MNI, who sent to us here in Benin homicide experts to work with our policemen at the state CID here and making it public through this medium that the perpetrators have been arrested.
Yes. 2 women were also arrested. They include Tina Samuel and Mary Ade One of the suspects, Osaboyen Dosakare, was alleged to have bought late Uwaila Vera Omozuwa's mobile phone for the sum of 17,000 naira. Using high technical intelligence, the said Osaboyen was arrested by the police around Owe quarters in Benin City. He then took the police to arrest the principal suspect, Collins Ijegbulen. Collins Ijegbulen, who confessed to have directly participated in the murder, said he used the fire extinguisher to strike the late Uwaila after other suspects engaged her. The said Collins then named Akato Valentine and Nelson Ogbebo as other members of the gang. Mary Ade was said to have offered the sum of 1 million naira to the gang for the murder. The blood of the late Uwaila Vera Omozuwa was allegedly cleaned with a white handkerchief and then given to the said Mary Ade. Tina Samuel was arrested for allegedly 7 years, obstructing the police from arresting her son, identified as Lucky, alleged to have participated in the murder. The suspects narrate their level of involvement.
What happened that brought you?
I bought phone from Mr. Collins.
Who is Collins? This one. Okay, is it the Uwaila phone?
Yes, sir.
Is it the Uwaila phone, Collins?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. How did you buy it?
No, that particular on the 27th. I sat around
27th of what? May.
I sat around the 4 to 5 because I repair phone, that's my work.
Where do you have a shop?
At Abupa.
Abupa.
Yes,
okay.
So he brought the phone to me. And we bargained and I paid him. Yeah. So after on Monday the next week I was trapped on the road. So after buying the phone the 27th from him,
yes,
at the rate of 17,000 naira. So as at on Monday, Tuesday the following week I was trapped and arrested.
How many of them entered the church?
Now 5 of us.
But
so,
with you?
Me first day outside.
Yeah.
So the person they come.
Obstructing the
person they come. So Nancy Azubike and come.
Obstructing the
person they come. So Nancy Azubike and Lucky.
That's this Nancy, this one.
Yes. And Azubike and Nancy where they run. They come sit down for chair. And they sit down for chair now waiting. And you give me the girl that say, you can ask me midday. I want to say midday for this street. So one of the members give me the girl that rush the girl and come hold. So if I hear the girl don't already fall down, and the girl fall down, it be like they won't get up. If I let the Bo Azubike, Bo Nancy Azubike and other guy. So both better they call the now because they carry fire exhibition. The fire with Nancy Church in for Kadawa. According to hit the girl for
that fire extinguisher went there by the side.
Yes, now me carry out. According to hit the girl.
What's your name?
My name is Akato Valentine.
Very well, sir. What's your name? Where are you from?
Edo State.
Oh, where is Lucky now, madam?
Oga, not him. I don't know if you're Lucky though.
Which work Lucky they do?
21 years.
Which work Lucky they do?
This is good. Stylist.
When last you see your son?
When I never seen him, I don't reach 5 months. Mary Ade. Mary Ade.
Rush the girl.
Where are you from?
From Edo State.
Where in Edo?
Where?
The Edo State Commissioner of Police Johnson Babatunde Kukumo, who paraded the suspects, said the police was diligent during the investigation.
Of unrelenting effort of the police to get at the roots of the crime. And today, I announce to you, I'm making it public through this video that the perpetrators have been arrested. The investigation has been painstaking. We have with us a total of 6.
Where are you from?
My people, should not don't watch the news about that Uwaila. They sound so cause very painful. You see the way they confess, the way they talk, the way the woman send them, even the basis of them 2 ladies and the 4 boys, you know, really good. People where they do those is another woman, another person picking because they get them say the girl are virgin. The film is so make I know good those criminal or those armed robber, or those killer. The film is now see take guess and say 1 million. What 1 million one rich na take do? Woman ado una 1 million. Mona call ki innocent girl. really una go kill her. That not dey painful to una. If una na sister or una dey do one to how una go feel. This answer is not really good, serious, my people. Cause this thing una see and still get sense. Cause this news una still get sense. Those people where they do those, and that lady is very wicked woman. Seriously, because very painful. But when me, you know, so many people talk about those news now. I understand. Many people, because this news follow all social media, but the real issue is that the way they take kill him, police or arrest those suspects, those people who say kill Uwala, the death of Uwala, it already revealed. Understand the truth about the come out. Understand? Let me take happy say okay. Now they don't catch the people when you kill Uwala. What do you think about those people, the woman and the person when you go see kill Uwala for the church? What do you think about it? Whether it good or not, understand, or what you now want me the police do them, but it already under police custody. You know, say what it don't occur now, or as they don't catch, you know, see those people they don't go to free. Maybe now life imprisonment, you know the way they happen for Nigeria. Understand? What do you think about this my video? Drop your comment down to the comment section box. Once again, go to another news. Hello my people, Kasala don't happen for Edo State. This news, they have advice for those women and some of the women and some of the girls, because nowadays some of the girls for Benin or for Edo State, you understand? Because this news happen for Edo State, they feel me so. Because some of them they don't want to follow poor people, you understand? What they just need now the rich people, they want me they follow the rich people, the rich people, the rich people, the rich people, you understand? Because they don't want to suffer nowadays. Any poor person we just call them or mean to say the no man, you understand? So that they'll take off the but now those the rich people where they follow, they always they bring Kasala, because some of the girls, you understand, they always they follow rich people, and some of them also they follow, you understand, anything they also say or any person they also see now just love they defend. But nowadays some of the girls they don't want follow love again, they say they want follow money, but now the same money they bring problem for the some of the girls, you understand? What it be me come this news today? Now this girl will say I go follow big boy. No, I'm not big boy, you understand? Those big boy, so where you drive those Benz, those Toyota Benz, they feel me so at the end where the woman come out from inside the Toyota Benz. Now it says that the mad, now run man, instantly madness. I was shown at the video, my people, but my just will read the news the way they hot. It's a lady run mad after coming down from a Toyota Venza owned by a big boy in Aoshi, Edo State. This so now Aoshi now for take happen for Edo State. Now this one for take happen so for Aoshi. The film is on new latest news, because this news when we call give una so now this news now about for those some of the girls, you understand? Una all the ways that the boy get money. Una don't know the way this some of the guys till they make money. As I know that already talk about what they happen now this on Nigeria. Most of them are rituals now. Some of the youth now they don't want work, they don't want suffer work, they want they put on for bad thing. They feel me so now be thing. Now be this news when we could give una make this news that some of the girls now get this news. This is an advice or some of the women and some of the girls so bad say they want quick rich or they want quick follow man we get money, you know, really good for now. Any man we come now, whether the man get money, not get money, mona try follow them, mona as in mona suffer together. Now so now go fall for the victim because of all the way see this boy rich or all the way see this boy not rich, and no one follow. Understand? You know, really good. May I show now the video before I can talk my opinion. Regardez là-bas.
If the head, I know the green, I will go and I you now, I will go and I follow now. So the you do one by one of now.
Now she be this one.
If the head, I know the green, I will go and I you now, I will go and I follow now. So the you do one by one of now.
Now she be this one.
My people, should not don't watch the news just now, you understand? And I don't see the way they get it, the mad. The film is so because the way they come out for inside the month to inside the mad, because you know really good. Because this one I need as in what did they happen for social media? I need to the use until they get sense. Seriously, you know you have to get sense. That's because this news now for some of the girls. The film so like this news dey for some of the girls, because some of the girls they don't want follow poor people again, all the wizard and the rich people, because of some of the girls also they go leave their guy, or because say their guy don't get money or they not rich, they'll go follow person who rich, and you don't know the way that person will rich, you don't know the way to make money. And some of those girls, they made those boys they fall for victim, you understand, because many girls nowadays for Nigeria and for Edo State, they don't want to follow people will not get money again, you understand, because down the boys will cause see okay now the one who you come make fast money, you understand, the way they hurt, and also the condition of Nigeria don't too worse, you understand, because they say no work, nothing, the one who make money, or government don't want to give them work, but it's not really good, it's not they advisable. If government not give una work, or government not give work, una need to go learn work, or also for anything una fit do, but not to go put hand for bad thing, or to go kill your parents or your sisters or your brothers or your girlfriend or another person, another man children for eyesight is not really good, because these are not good for una my people, because those Yahoo people or those ritualists now need to stop, serious, now need to stop. If you want to make money, not be those ritualists, you understand, and the money one that they make, it not become good way, or not fit enjoy them for now way serious, because now 50-50 now advice. So now some of the girls understand now need to get advice, because not be all man who have to talk and say not be all man who say they carry big motor they go, not be their hands clean, some of them clean, some of them not clean. Now 50-50 understand. Girls now need to suffer following a boyfriend, understand. I need to grow up together, not be saying I go run for victim when go bring problem for now body. You see, be all the way because say when I want follow big boy or Yahoo boy or big man we get money at the end. Now it happen to this our Edo State woman when start the wrong man. The film so yeah for Awoshi, that's not for Edo State and for to happen. Guys, if you love this video, please drop your comment down to the comment section and share this video to your loved ones, your family, you understand, everyone. Share it to you go see really see help. Also like this my video, please. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting for this my platform. I really appreciate you guys. Everyone that is watching my video, I really appreciate, and those that is not watching and that is not subscribing, I really appreciate. Also anyone that is coming or that is going or that is coming for my social media, also I really appreciate, guys. Understand, please guys follow me for my YouTube channel. Understand, follow me for Audio latest news too, because I always they bring all ogbonge news for this my channel, all latest news, and always they bring they come for this channel. Now what the happen, the wife talk cannot be only those state news, not be only Nigeria news, not be now all world continent news that always they talk about. If you like this my video, kindly subscribe to Audio latest news TV once again until you come my way to the next video. Bye, I love you all.